Hello friends, we are discussing about insert tab. In previous videos I explained pages group and tables group. Now we'll study illustration groups. Illustration group contain 5 commands: picture, clip art, shapes, smart art and chart. We'll study one by one. First one, picture. To insert picture from a file on the computer into the document, click this button. Okay, to insert a photo, any photo, okay, any picture, okay, from a file which is stored in hard disk, okay, on the computer, okay, you can insert the picture which is stored in hard disk. Okay, you can insert the picture into the MS Word document. To insert picture, dialog box will appear. This dialog box is used to select picture that is used to insert to this is to be inserted into the document. Let's see here. Okay, go to insert, then click picture. Okay, select picture from file which is stored in hard disk. For example, this picture. Then click insert. The picture get inserted here. Clear? No, very simple. Okay, the picture, if you want, you can drag. Okay, you can increase, you can decrease the size. Okay, you can change the, okay, many things you can do. Okay, border also you can change. Okay, many things you can do. Then brightness also you can increase, decrease the brightness. Okay, clear? No, you can change the color. Okay, many options are there. Next, second option, clip art. Second option is clip art. Insert clip art into the document, including drawing, movies, sounds, or stock photography to illustrate a specific concept. To illustrate a specific concept. Go to Insert tab. Under Illustration, click Clip Art. Then click Organize Clips. Organize clips. Then select which types of clips you want. There are many options out there. Okay, so whichever you want you can select it. Okay, then just click and copy. Then click on paste. Under home tab, click paste. So it displays here. Okay, even this clip art also you can increase or decrease the size. Okay, like this. Clear? No? Next, third one, shapes. This button is used to insert ready-made shapes. Okay, there are different shapes out there. Okay, you can insert any different shapes here, such as circles. Okay, lines out there, basic shapes out there, block arrows out there, flowcharts out there, callouts, star and banners. There are many categories of shapes out there. Clear? No? Okay, when the button is clicked, a gallery of different shapes will appear. When you click this shape, it displays different shapes. To insert a shape, click desired shape and then draw the shape in the document. Let's see here. Okay, go to Insert tab. Under Illustration, click Shape. Whichever shape you want, you can click. Okay, just click and drag. You have to drag it. Clear? No? Okay, if you want, you can fill the colors. Okay, you can fill the colors. Okay, you can give outline color. Okay, you can change the shape. Okay, if you want, you can change the shape. Okay, whichever shape you want, you can change it. Clear? No? Okay. Next, fourth one, Smart Art. To insert a Smart Art graphic into the document, click this button. To insert Smart Art graphic into the document, click this button. Smart Art graphics are objects such as Venn diagram and organization chart. Okay. So here in Smart Art there are many options out there. List is there, process, cycles, hierarchy, relations, matrix, pyramid. There are many options out there. When the button is clicked, a gallery of different categories and shapes will be displayed. For example, go to Insert tab, click on Smart Art. Okay, there are many options out there. Okay, whichever you type you want, you can select. Okay, like the example under cycle. Okay, we just type the text. Clear, no? Okay. So example clear, no? Like you can draw the cycle. Okay, even you can rotate also. You can rotate also. You can decrease the size also. You can decrease the size, you can increase the size, you can rotate. Okay, whichever you want, you can rotate it. Okay, many things you can do. There are different shapes out there. Next, last one, chart. Use this feature to insert bar, area, line chart, etc. There are many charts are there. When this button is clicked, the insert chart dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, it is possible to specify type of chart. Okay, so for example, go to Insert tab, click on Chart. Okay, there are many types of charts are there. Line chart, bar chart, pie chart. Okay, many charts are there. So whichever type you want, you can select it. Example, column chart. Select which type you want, which design you want. There are many designs are there. Then click OK. Okay, then it displays. This is the data. Okay, this is the data. There is category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, and 3 series are there. Based on that value, it displays the line chart. Okay, this is category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, like this. And this is series 1. This color indicates series 1. Okay, this is 2, this is 3, like this. Okay, so you can insert any type of chart. We'll insert one more chart. Go to Insert, click on Chart. Okay, example, pie chart. Okay, which type you want. Okay, just select it, then click OK. Okay, this is the value. Okay, it's related to sales. In first quarter 8.2, second quarter 3.2, third quarter 1.4, fourth quarter 1.2. Okay, if you want to change the value, you can change. Example, 2.5 you want, you can change. Clear, no? Okay. So this is the pie chart. Okay. So the first quarter is this color, second quarter is this color, third quarter is this color. Okay, like, and fourth quarter is this color. Okay, like this. This is about the sales. Okay. Clear, no? Okay. Thank you.